Welcome back, dear students. In this video we will discuss inner join, SQL inner join in both MS Excel and Python Pandas as well. So we will navigate to my Excel file. I have two tables, first table and second table in both sheets. So this is my first table and this is my second table. I will copy the second table to understand easily, just for practice. Can't paste. So we have two tables now. The first table, second table are the left table and right table. So if you look at these IDs numbers, these IDs from 1 to 9 are there in the second table, so both are matching. But look at the 10 is not there any of them, so 10 is not matching. And 11, look at 11 is not matching any of them, means 11 is not there in the first table. So this is the based on inner join, these values, the 10 records from first, 11 from second, this will be automatically removed. So this is the concept of inner join. Once again, so for joining operation we must have two tables, the left table and the right table. In both table there should be common column like ID, and based on that common column joining operation will be considering the merge operation. Means that merge operation will be done based on this column and this column. So it will look for matching values. Just for example, 1 is there in both yes, 2 is there in both yes, 3 is there in both yes, 4 is there in yes, 5 there yes, 6 yes, 7 yes, 8 yes, 9 yes, 10 not. 10 is not there in the second table, means the right table. So come back to the second table. So the right table from 1 to 9, yes, these IDs are there in the first table. 11 is not there, so it will inner join will automatically exclude the 10 records from first and 11 record from second in inner join. Look at this picture. So this is inner join. Inner join will print out just matching value from both table. This is my left table, this is my right table. So just matching value will be printed out. Non-matching value like this part and this part, these are not matching, just this part are matching. The matching part will be printed out and the non-matching part will be removed or ignored. So this is the inner join concept. Let's get started. First in Excel I will remove this, just first table, go to data tab because we want to transform this into Excel Power Query from file from workbook, because we want to transform file from Excel. So my file name is for joining, that file is located in desktop. I will search for that, for joining. I will open this. Once opened, I will select both of them. I will select check the multiple items. I will select the first and second. These were from previous ones videos, so ignore this. This is not our work. We will just transform these both tables. Go to transform data into Excel Power Query. So both tables are transformed into Excel Power Query. I will select both of them. So to load into Excel Power Query, close and load. Now my both tables are loaded to my Excel Power Query. This is my first table, this is my second table. So I will navigate to horizontal 4 dots, merge, If you look at this windows, the first table is automatically selected. We will select the second table based on ID. We want to merge both table, and we will select the joining operation. In this video we will just implement inner join. Then it will say as the selection matches 9 of 10 rows from first and 9 of 10 rows from second. So totally we have 10 rows. 9 are matching with each other, but the 10 from first and 11 from second are not matching. So I will select just ID, just city, because ID column is already there in the first table. So then I will rename this to city, just city. Okay, I will go to close and load. So the third table is created with name merge, and just matching rows, matching record are printed out. Go to the first table, 10, ID number Judy, name Judy, and 11 department. Go to 11 department, Dallas. So this will be removed from joining operation. Delhi and Dallas. Not Delhi is there, not Dallas is there. So this was the inner join in MS Excel. Now we will navigate to Python Pandas to implement this inner join in Python Pandas. And go to Jupyter Notebook. I will import Pandas, import with import keywords Pandas. Pandas is a Python library for data analysis as a PD alias name. So my file is located in desktop. I will create a path for that. Path is equal to return to my file. I will copy as a path. Copy as a path. So in this file I have two sheets. Now I will remove all of them because we don't need them. I will delete them. So just I have two tables, first table and second table, first sheet and second sheet. I will print this first. First sheet pd dot, because this is Excel file, read Excel function, Excel. Yes, path, this is a parameter. Sheet name, this is other parameter for read Excel function. Sheet name, the first table, same for the second sheet. Control C, Control V, second sheet, second sheet. So I will merge both of them, merge both. PD has a other function for merge, merge both of them. So it will take both sheets as a parameter, first sheet, second sheet, means this is the tables. Then the other parameter is how we want to join both of them, inner. This is the type of join. The other parameter is based on what column? On ID. Based on ID, we want to merge both of them. Now I will print out merge. So the merge column is printed out. This was inner join. So look at the ID column. 10 is not there, 11 is not there. So this part till department, this was the first table and this was the second table. So just 9 records from both were matching with each other. 9 records were printed out. This was the inner join concept. Thank you dears for watching.